For those who have been waiting for checked clocks, thank you for your patience. I finally have been able to find a few that I'm able to rehab and get back into the shop. They sell quickly, and this is one of the new ones that is available now. This is the Crafty Hobbit channel. I'm Jeanette, a home decor artist and a vintage rehab designer. Welcome. This round clock is a tableside clock. Now, it's new without tags. The tags have been removed so that I could paint it out in the black and white check pattern. It's a lovely little clock. It's 7 inches in diameter and 2¼ inches deep. Now, the body of this clock is plastic, but don't let that fool you. It has a beautiful crystal clear glass facing, and it looks absolutely lovely on a bedside table, a dresser, or even a mantle. It runs on one AA battery, and if you like this item, the link is in the description below in the video. If you want to see more new items available in the shop, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to follow the channel to watch for the next available video with the next round clock that's coming this way.